New construction row house in the High Point Road area. Beautiful views from the double-tiered back deck/patio area. Main level boasts laundry room and powder room as well as a large island in the kitchen. The modern open feel has the dining room separated from the living room by only the kitchen. Stainless appliances adorn the kitchen with granite countertops. The second level offers large bedrooms with a primary that features a full bath and walk-in closet. Downstairs is an unfinished basement with over 700 square feet of storage space that can easily be converted to living space, or used as a home gym, gaming cave, place to host sports watching events, or a bonus room.